Do you know that gratitude is the start of all abundance in life? So let me take this opportunity to thank all of you for watching these videos, people who react in these videos. And also, thank you so much for those who comment and share this video. And if you do, you can comment here what you are grateful for. Comment mo rin dito ano yung tatlong bagay na pinasasalamatan mo. And I will really appreciate that. So, let's start. Thank you, God, for this life. Thank you for my good health. And to my parents' good health also. Parent who supports me, and for those people who supports me during in my struggles. I will also thank God for those struggles in life to make me stronger. And I want to thank also my mentor, Sir MJ Lopez, who guides us always. I want to thank also our CEO, Ma'am Jocelyn Hernandez, father of Sir MJ Lopez, who builds the health of community and the health of product. Thank you so much also to our founder, Sir Wendell Lucina, and to my upline, Sir Angelo Por, who is always guides us always. And syempre sa mga downlines ko, maraming salamat kasi kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi ko maaabot kung ano yung meron at sino ako ngayon. Most especially to our business center, Ma'am Joyce Mendoza and Sir Michael Mendoza. I want to thank also our trainer in customer service, my co-trainees. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat, guys. And syempre, I will share this greatest principle to you na tinuro mismo ni Sir MJ Lopez. Ang kasabihan na be grateful on what you have at bibigyan ka pa ng mas marami. Yun na naman, guys, and see you on my next video.